Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest product reviews. In today's video, we're diving into the world of fitness with the Tilibra exercise bike. We'll explore its features, benefits, and why it's considered the best exercise bike routine available in the market. Let's kick things off with an overview of the Tilibra exercise bike. This stationary bike is designed for home use and boasts some impressive features. It comes in a sleek black-red color combination and has a sturdy build made of carbon steel. Now, let's delve into the key features that make this exercise bike stand out. One of its highlights is the smooth and quiet operation, thanks to its wool felt resistance system. The digital display on the bike tracks essential metrics such as time, speed, calories burned, and odometer. There's also a convenient tablet holder, allowing you to watch videos or listen to music while working out. Safety is paramount when it comes to exercise equipment, and the Tilibra exercise bike doesn't disappoint. Its thicker alloy steel construction ensures durability and stability during your workouts. There's a safety feature where pressing the resistance lever stops the flywheel instantly. The bike also comes with a monitor stand and a water bottle holder for added convenience. Everyone's body is unique, and the Tilibra exercise bike recognizes that with its full adjustability. The non-slip handlebar and four-way padded seat can be easily adjusted to accommodate your exercise height and resistance preferences. This customization leads to better exercise results and a more comfortable workout experience. Let's hear from customers who have experienced the Tilibra exercise bike firsthand. We'll highlight some of the key points mentioned in their reviews, such as ease of assembly, value for money, adjustability, sturdiness, and overall satisfaction. Now, it's time for our personal experience with the Tilibra exercise bike. We'll discuss the ease of assembly, the quality of the workout, and any additional insights we gained during our testing. In conclusion, the Tilibra exercise bike is a top-notch stationary bike for your home gym. Its combination of smooth operation, digital features, sturdiness, safety, and adjustability make it the best exercise bike routine available in the market. If you're looking to enhance your fitness from the comfort of your home, this bike offers incredible value and performance. That's it for today's review of the Tilibra exercise bike. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.